Hello children, welcome back to online school. We are on day number 2 of week 29. We are going to get started with greeting time. And for greeting time today, we are going to start with a game. The game we're going to play is called What Did You Hear Game. I am going to say a word. You are going to repeat the word and see if you hear a O sound in the word, okay? The O can be in the middle, the beginning, or the end. So if you hear a O sound, then I want you to give me a thumbs up, okay? All right, the first word I am going to say is globe. Globe. Now your turn. Say globe. Do you hear a O sound in that word? Where is it? Is it in the beginning, the middle, or the end? Say the word again. Globe. The O is in the middle. Good listening. Now we can see what's next for green time. Come on. Hello children, welcome back to green time. Today we are going to say hi to Mr. Lion. Hello guys. We are going to practice another word game. Today we're going to practice saying all the sounds of the word again, okay Mr. Lion? Until you can get it, okay? Okay, I love to practice. Good job, Mr. Lion. I am going to say one word, Mr. Lion, and your job is to say all the sounds you hear in the word, okay, Mr. Lion? Okay, and your job at home is to listen carefully and make sure Mr. Lion says all the sounds, okay? Sometimes he forgets the last sound. Are you ready? All right, here we go. Mr. Lion, say the word leaf. 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 Did you hear him say all the sounds in the word, guys? So close, Mr. Lion. Let's try again. The word is leaf. Leaf. You are forgetting the F sound at the end of the word. Try again, Mr. Lion. Okay. Leaf. Did you hear it, guys? Did Mr. Lion say all the sounds in the word leaf? That's right. Good job, Mr. Lion. Yes, I did it. Thanks for helping me. Oh, you're welcome. Thanks, guys. Let's see what's next. Hello, friends. Welcome back. We are going to do a finger play. Yes, that's right. It is time to learn a new one today. My Rabbit is the title of our finger play. Can you say it with me? Let's say it together. My Rabbit. My Rabbit. That's the title. What do you think this finger play will be about? Maybe a rabbit. All right, guys, I will read the words to you and I'll show you how the fingers go. You can try at home with me, okay? First, let's hold up 2 fingers. We are going to pretend these are the ears. Are you ready? Do you have 2 fingers up? All right, then we're ready. Let's go. My rabbit has 2 big ears and a funny little nose. He likes to nibble on carrots and he hops wherever he goes. And that's the end of My Rabbit. Thanks for practicing with me. Let's see what's next. Hello children, welcome back to Greeting Time. Today we are going to practice saying our vows. Here you will see 4 vows that we learned together. I am going to sing the chant that we learned for our vows. It goes like this. Give me a A. And when I say A, you find the A. You can look at the A with your eyes or you can point with your finger. And you can sing the chant with me. Give me an A. A, you got your A, you got your A. Give me an E. Do you find the E? Point. E. You got your E, you got your E. Give me an E. E, you got your E, you got your E. Give me an I. And you find the I? I, you got your I, you got your I. Give me an I. I, you got your I. eye, you got your eye. What's the last letter? Oh, you got it. Give me a O. Oh, you got your O, you got your O. Give me a O. Oh, you got your O, you got your O. All right, you guys, we are going to play a game right now. I am going to say 2 words. You are going to listen and tell me if you can hear an O in the word. Here's the first word. So. So. You say it. Say so. Do you hear an O in that word? So. It's at the end. Good listening. Let's try one more word. How about go? Do you hear an O in the word go? Good listening.